Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch off your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone on the latest iOS version in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the first and the simplest method is going to be using your volume up and your side button. We need to press and hold the volume up and the side button together simultaneously for about a few seconds until a menu like this pop up, and then you can simply slide to power off or basically shut it down. The next method to switch off your iPhone is going to go into your settings, then go to general and scroll all the way down where it says shut down, and once you slide this over, that will also switch off your iPhone. Now if that didn't work for you or those two methods, you want to use a third method, which is if you have Siri enabled, you can simply issue a command to Siri, say, "Hey Siri, switch off my iPhone," and then Siri will ask you to confirm, and you simply say yes. And from there on, Siri can also switch off your iPhone just like that. So all three of the methods should work. And to switch it back on, you're gonna just this time around just hold on to the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. If that doesn't work, just connect it to a charger like you would normally charging, and if it's already turned off, the charger will automatically turn it back on. So that's how you switch off and on your iPhone 16 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.